In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and unarchive archived channels in Slack. If a conversation was paused, cleaned up, or tucked away, you can still browse its history and bring it back when you need it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, along with a few tips to keep everything clear and straightforward. Start by opening the Channel browser. In the left sidebar, click your Home tab or the Channels tab. If you don't see a Channels tab, click More and then choose Channels. You can also click the three dots next to your channel list and select Browse Channels. Any of these will open the browser where you can see channels across your workspace. Next, filter the list to show archived channels only. Look for the Channel Type Filter drop-down menu near the top of the browser. Open it and select Archived Channels. This narrows the view so you're not scrolling through active channels you don't need right now, and it makes finding old conversations much faster. Now it's time to find the specific channel. You can simply scroll through the archived list to spot the one you're after. If you know the name, use the search bar and start typing it. Archived channels will display an archive icon in the search results, which helps you confirm you're looking at an archived space rather than an active one. If you're unsure of the exact spelling, try a partial name or a keyword. The results usually appear quickly. Once you see the channel you want, click its name to open it. You'll be able to view the entire message history, which is helpful when you need to reference decisions, files, or timelines. Keep in mind that while a channel is archived, you won't be able to post new messages until it's brought back. If you need to unarchive the channel, click the channel name in the conversation header to open its details. Go to Settings, then click Unarchive this channel. After you do this, the channel returns to your active list and people can post messages again. If you don't see the Unarchive option, it may mean you don't have permission in your workspace. So check with an admin. That's it. Open the channel browser, filter to archive channels, find the one you need, review its history, and unarchive it if you're ready to resume the conversation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.